Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to change the Airtel Wi-Fi password. So whether you have Windows 7 or Windows 10 doesn't matter, you can change the Wi-Fi password in any of your Windows. So you must be having a router in your home or office like this. So this is called a small home office router. So what you have to do is just click on this network icon and you'll see a list of SSIDs or the networks that are broadcasted in your area. Now these two SSIDs, Los Angeles 5G and Los Angeles 2.4G, are the SSIDs that are broadcasted by my router. And these are the SSIDs that I use to connect to the internet. So I'll show you how to change the password for these two SSIDs or the networks. But before that, I want to tell you the difference between these two SSIDs. So one is the 2.4 gigahertz and the other is the 5 gigahertz. So if you are using the 5 gigahertz SSID or the network ID, then you'll have a faster internet speed and the range for that will be 6 meters only. And if you use the 2.4 gigahertz network, then you'll have a less internet speed and the range for that 2.4 gigahertz will be around 11 meters. So in 5G you will get high internet speed but less range, and in 2.4G you will get a long range but less of the internet speed. So now we are clear with the difference between these two networks. Now let's see how to change the password for the networks. Now just open your browser and just type the IP address 192.168.1.1 and hit enter. So this is the IP address that you have to type in the URL bar to access the router that you are using in your home or office. So generally the username and password are admin. So just type admin in the username and type the password as admin. But since I have changed it in my router, so I'll type the actual one. After typing the password and the username, just click on the login button. So you'll see a page like this. This will show you the device information, that is the router that you are using. Now in the left hand side, what you have to do is just click on this network option. After clicking on this network option, you'll see wireless 2.4 gigahertz and wireless 5 gigahertz. Just click on the first one, and now in the right hand side just go down a little bit. So you will see the SSID name here, Los Angeles 2.4G, and now I'll show you how to change its password. So in front of WPA key, just check this first, show password, and now it will show you the current password. Now if you wish to change it, then just select it and just type the new password. You can now uncheck this show password and just click on the save button. So this will save the new password in it. Similarly, now click on the wireless 5G option in the left hand side, and now just go to the right hand side, go down and you can see the SSID name Los Angeles 5G here. Now to change its password, just go to this WPA key, check this show password option, and just select this, the old password, delete it, and just type the new password. Now just click on the save button. So now you can see that my internet is now disconnected because now I have changed the password. Now just uncheck this show password and you have saved the password for the 5G network. Now click on this network icon and it is showing that it is trying to connect the network, but since we have changed the password, it will not be able to connect it. So what you have to do is just click on this network, right click over it, click on the properties option, just click on this show characters option. So you can see the old password here, just change it to the new password that we have set in the router configuration setting. After changing the password, just click on the OK button, again go to the network, and you can see that the Los Angeles 5G network is now again connected, as we have now entered the new password in it. After doing this, you can now just click on the logout button to log out of this configuration window. Now close this and you are done. So this is how you can change the Airtel Wi-Fi password. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.